Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make DIY aloe vera hairspray and mini twist for your hair growth. So the first thing you need is to wash the aloe vera, make sure it's clean and dried. Now the next thing is to cut the aloe vera into the amount that you want. I'm just gonna use half of this aloe vera. Now you need to cut the sides of the aloe vera, the spiky sides. You don't need them, so you need to cut that away. Once you're done, cut the aloe vera into pieces, into like box pieces. That will be easy for you to scoop out the gel from it. And what I do is I try to place the knife as close to the peel, and then I cut out the aloe vera gel from inside it, just like I'm doing right now. If you have any aloe vera peel left on the gel, you just go in and take it out. So the next thing is to put the aloe vera gel into a blender, add some water and blend. You want to blend it for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's liquefied. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, guys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to join the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. It's always good to have you guys. The next thing, guys, is to use a bowl, and you want to place a sock. You can use a recap socks, or you can use your pop socks. Of course, you need a socks that is clean, so I used a pop socks and I cut it to the size that I wanted, and now I'm just pouring the blended aloe vera into the socks, and you want to squeeze it out. I decided to try out this aloe vera spray because I once used it about 2 years ago when someone made it for me, and it did help my hair to grow when I just started my natural hair journey. And just because I'm having a lot of hair loss recently, and this is a quarantine period where I have enough time to take care of my hair, I decided to go back to that treatment. So I'll see how well this works, and I'll give you guys the feedback in a couple of weeks. So the next thing is to pour the aloe vera juice that you see inside a spray bottle. You want to add some oil to the aloe vera. Like, I prefer to add glycerin. If you want to go with jojoba oil, coconut oil, you want to try almond oil in it, that is fine, but I'll just be adding glycerin to the juice. Also, I would add peppermint essential oil. You don't have to do this, but peppermint generally is good for your hair. It has a stimulating effect in your hair. It helps with hair growth, just like aloe vera also helps with hair growth, and it's very good on your scalp. Aloe vera too is very good on your scalp. It helps to prevent dry, scaly scalp, itchiness in your scalp. And if you don't have peppermint, you can use other essential oils like rosemary essential oil, which is also good for hair growth. Shake your spray bottle and check out the consistency. So you need it to be juicy and jelly. So as you guys can see, the consistency looks great. So now I'm going to apply it to my hair. My hair has been washed and I just packed it up. So before I do the mini twist, I'm going to first spray my hair and just massage the juice into my hair. As you guys can see, I have a very short 4C hair, And just pardon me, I don't have a measuring tape at home, so I did improvise with using a straw to just track the length of my hair as of today. I'll be using my DIY hair butter, which I'll also apply to my hair to moisturize my hair. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I make this butter, just let me know in the comment section below. The next thing is to section my hair into bits, because now I want to get it twisted. So I'm doing a 2-strand mini twist on my hair. The reason why I chose this style is because it's very good for hair growth. It's a protective style. You can definitely use the spray directly on your hair without twisting it, and you will still see hair growth. But because I've been shedding a lot, and once I have my hair, you know, just open like that without doing a protective style, I get a lot of breakage. So that's why I'm trying to retain my length, retain moisture in my hair, and that's why I chose this hairstyle. If you guys need a more detailed tutorial on how to do a 2-strand twist, I have a video where I did a twist out, which you can check out. I'm gonna link it up there. And now I'm totally done with my mini twist. As you guys can see, my hair looks very thin. So every day I'm gonna spray my hair with this aloe vera juice in this mini twist for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna give you guys the updates. I'm going to come back to show you guys the updates, so make sure you stay tuned for the updates. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. It is totally free. Extra tips for you guys: if you want to sleep or during the day, you can definitely pack up your mini twist. It helps to retain the moisture, and it helps with the tips of the hair to prevent further breakage. You can use a satin scarf to pack your hair, a hair bonnet, or you can just pack up your hair with a band like I'm doing right now. It's always good to pack up the mini twists to retain hair moisture and the length. So that's it guys for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.